10 Things You Didn't Know About Fuengirola. Fuengirola is a coastal town located on the Costa del Sol in southern Spain, in the province of Malaga. The name Fuengirola is believed to have originated from the Arabic words fuen, spring, and girola, round, which referred to a round spring that once existed in the town. Fuengirola has a rich history that dates back to the Roman times, as evidenced by the remains of a Roman villa and fish salting factory that have been uncovered in the area. The town has a long and sandy beach that stretches for over 7 kilometers and is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Fuengirola is home to a variety of cultural and entertainment events throughout the year, including a carnival, a summer fair, and a medieval market. The town has a vibrant nightlife scene with a wide variety of bars and clubs to suit all tastes. Fuengirola is known for its excellent dining options, including fresh seafood, traditional Spanish cuisine, and international cuisine. The town is also home to several important landmarks and monuments, including the Sahel Castle, the Biopark Fuengirola Zoo, and the Church of Nuestra Señora del Rosario. Fuengirola is easily accessible by public transport, with regular buses and trains connecting the town to other destinations along the Costa del Sol and beyond. Finally, Fuengirola is a popular destination for golf enthusiasts, with several excellent golf courses located within a short drive of the town.